The AI image generator in Pencila is one of the best design tools you will ever use. You no longer need stock photography. So to get to it, just come down to the bottom toolbar, click the star that says AI generator, and now watch this. You could literally type anything that you want and it will generate a photorealistic version of whatever you describe. So I'm just going to say a fashion woman in the desert. And I'm going to select photorealistic and you just hit generate. And watch how realistic this image is. This is absolutely incredible. And you just select this and it's added to your canvas. It's that easy. So I'm going to generate, say I want to generate an oil painting of flowers. So right here is all your different options. You could also generate clip art and vector art. Vector art, you'll be able to actually change the colors right after generating. So let me just show you guys an oil painting. And look at that. Look how beautiful and look how easy it is to add it to your design. Next, I'm going to generate clip art for you. So I'm just going to say a blueberry and generate a retro cartoon. Hit generate. It's that easy. Look how cute that blueberry is. And you just add it to your design. If you're designing t-shirts, this is super useful. And lastly, I'm going to generate vector art. This is the coolest part of our AI image generator. You'll be able to change the colors after you generate an image. So I'm just going to say a tiger. Hit generate. There you go. You just click it, add it to the canvas, and look right here. On the right side, you're actually able to change the colors. And that's our AI image generator.